Are you looking to start your own podcast and you don't have enough budget? Guys, check out Anchor.fm. Anchor is used for recording, hosting, and distributing your own podcast. First of all, it's 100% free and it is very easy to use. All you need is to visit Google Play and download Anchor app, and you can start your own podcast. You can do this by the comfort of your home. All you need is a good content for your listeners, and you can record it easily to your mobile or PC. Guys, get started and have fun. Your story deserves a best platform, and Anchor is the best platform for it. Have a great day. Hi guys, this is Adit. Welcome to my podcast. Before starting out my episode, if you have not followed my podcast in Anchor and Spotify, just follow it. We always know that we should work hard and believe in our talent to achieve anything in our life. The harder you work for something, the greater you will feel when you achieve it. Always remember that great things never come from comfort zone. Success doesn't just find you. You have to go out and reach it. Life is not that easy. It's going to be hard. But hard does not mean impossible. Just believe it is possible. Always don't wait for an opportunity to come and knock you at the door. Just create it. If you are not willing to risk the usual life, you will have to settle for the ordinary life. You are there for 24 hours in a day. You cannot be asleep 8 hours a day. Your existence is not by accident, just believe it. Your existence has so much meaning. Are you ready to take on the unknown? Are you prepared for it? When people say they don't have the time, we have 24 hours a day. You are waiting for all the situation to come together perfectly, and I am telling you, you cannot wait. You got to start working right now. Don't compare yourself to people that you feel are more qualified than you. Don't compare yourself to people that you think that are more talented than you. Don't compare yourself to other people gifting, because you will only get what has been decided for you. At the end of the day, hard work only pays off. You get to choose whether or not you will pursue peace or toss and turn at night. Because you are not seeing the results that you desire to see, you will fail in your comfort zone. Success is not a comfortable procedure. One off day can switch everything in your life. It can turn everything around. Just imagine, one goal or one point can turn a match around completely. You have got to recognize the possibilities within you. Nothing is going to be easy. Nothing is going to be handed to you. You got to go through it. You got to hurt so you can grow. You got to feel it. Make a difference. Move forward to something unique in your life. I am challenging you to declare victory. Even when it looks like odds are against you, and you have to say to yourself, I am going to get through this. Whatever is in your life that's trying to bring you, it is not waiting. So you cannot wait for it. See, those of you who will evolve, who are willing to evolve, you will inherit the future. Those of you who are willing to take everything you do to the next level, you will inherit the future. It is the individual who is willing to become more out. But I am sorry, here is the fact. All of you have extraordinary capabilities. All of you have to decide if you are willing to do the things to put you in that category. It's not the other way. So kindly believe in yourself. Wait for the opportunity. Thank you, and stay tuned for further more podcasts from Adit.